Zeeshan Baba Siddique is a young Indian politician from the Indian National Congress. He is currently a member of the Legislative Assembly in Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. Siddique was born in Bandra, Mumbai to the Indian National Congress leader and former member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly Baba Siddique and Zeeshan Siddique. In July 2015, he completed his master's degree in global management and public leadership at the Regent's University London, United Kingdom. He had mobilized nearly 500 oxygen concentrators in his constituency during the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic in India in 2021. Siddique contested and won as a first-term member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly representing the Bandra East seat in Mumbai, Maharashtra in 2019 Maharashtra Legislative Assembly election. He garnered 38,337 votes, defeating Shiv Sena's Vishwanath Mahadeshwar, the then mayor of Mumbai, by 5790 votes. In May 2021, Bombay High Court ordered a probe against Zeeshan and Sonu Sood for supplying remdesivir to needy during the pandemic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.